Today we explore Amsterdam, starting off somewhere really exciting that Lauren wanted to show everyone.
This was on my list of things to do. It's a rubber duck store. So we have successfully made it into what seems like a bit more of the centre of Amsterdam rather than the rubber duck store.
It does feel like Amsterdam
it's
now.
It's very canally, boaty and bikey.
We've got plenty of bikes.
And also,
plenty of canals.
It stinks of weed.
So we're both getting a bit peckish now.
So we're going to Food Hallen, which is an indoor market, to get something to eat. I don't actually know if this is somewhere we can eat.
It's called Food Hallen. You can't be telling me this isn't a food place, it's just a shopping centre.
Oh no, wait, is this it?
Oh yeah, this looks alright.
Yeah.
There we go. Are we happy?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, they do look decent, to be fair.
Tom threw an absolute hissy fit about me ordering them, by the way. Didn't you, Tom?
Yeah, but I'm grateful now. How's it going then? Is it good?
They're really nice, actually.
It's nice here, there's loads of choice.
We were walking around for ages, weren't we, Tom?
We were. So, we're a bit early for our Heineken experience, aren't we, Lauren? But we're just sat on a step just outside of it.
Yeah, it's really not a problem.
It's not a problem at all. 20 minutes and we'll be in, sipping a nice little Heineken. Lauren loves Heineken, it's a favourite.
I was actually going to work for Heineken at one point.
Yeah.
I was going to be a marketing coordination manager. But then I got too big for him. Just waiting for the Heineken experience.
It's a bit busy.
It's very busy. Someone's just come over the tannoy and said, can everybody please budge up so other people can fit into this area?
Give it a mix.
The first step calls appreciation. So you're going to rise your beer.
Just bottling a beer. You got to pay.
How much have you got to pay?
£7.50 per bottle. Let's move on with the tour. Cheers, Lauren. So, we've just come out of the Heineken experience.
We have, and what an experience it was.
It was decent in the end. The first 2 rooms, dreadful. Like you're crammed in like a herd of cattle. But once beers are flowing, you turn out to be alright, don't you, Lauren? No. There was
a lot of like interactive rooms, which were really immersive.
Yeah, that immersion room were good.
That 4D room.
That 4D room were
That
good.
was really good.
So, I would recommend.
As long as Tom's happy, it's fine. Careful of your camera, Tom. It's literally dangling down.
So, we're actually just next to like, what is it? The main river? I think it's connected to the sea. Do you?
Yeah, I'd say so.
But yeah, next up is the boat tour. So, we get an hour on this boat. We get drinks included, I think, as well. I think this is ours, the lucky stripper. We're off.
Oh yeah, like a wicket.
We finally made the tour. Looks like a lively bunch.
The canal boat tour was fantastic and we definitely urge you to do it. We saw lots of different things in Amsterdam, from the second smallest house in the city to all the crooked houses. If you book a bottomless, open bar canal boat tour, please make sure you're on the right boat, because we weren't. It came to the end, we waved them goodbye and they said you need to pay for your drinks. So you can imagine, we were up in arms about it, but we got it sorted in the end.
It was then back to the van to look after our cats. Come on, how you go? This is unacceptable.
I'm so sorry.
Lauren's just let a cat in.
No, I didn't let it in. Come here. Come on.
No, that's where we draw the line. You're not coming up here. Before the next day when we're headed back in on the train. So next we're off up on the lookout. Is it a dam lookout?
It is.
There's a big swing, so let's go up. You get a good view of the city.
Although it's cloudy today. So we're just at the top of a dam lookout. You can see all the way around Amsterdam just from this one little like rooftop. What do you think, Tom?
It's pretty good actually. It weren't that much for it.
No.
Well, about £12 each room.
Yeah, I think so actually.
So it's not too bad, and you do get a really nice view. And you can have a drink if you want. Obviously, you've got to pay extra.
You know.
Definitely.
We'll have a few cocktails, won't we?
Yeah. But yeah, it's lovely.
We're on a ferry.
We think it's for free.
Doubled on, no duty free.
We're all getting a bit chaotic out there, so we've come in to take shelter and have a coffee.
It was too much for Tom.
It was too much for Lauren.
When we were on the ferry, you were getting all jittery, and I said, let's take a selfie. And you said, oh, we can't, I'm aggravated.
So next on the list was the Amsterdam Sex Museum. Now it was absolutely fantastic and we highly recommend doing it, but we couldn't film an awful lot in there. We then had a whopper of a curry, which was absolutely banging. We hadn't had one since we left the UK, before going to the red light district for a mooch around. Same thing applies. We couldn't really film much of that either.
So that is it for Amsterdam.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Once again, if you want to like and subscribe, that's fantastic, but if not, it's okay. You might notice that we're not in the usual setting, so we've actually just dropped down in Kuala Lumpur, so stay tuned for what's going on next.